Over here we have the cold form steel factory or machines, the frame CAD machine and the Howick. So what these do is all the cold form steel framing does not start out as steel studs. It starts out as just a roll of steel, gauge and width to be determined per the project. You can swap these rolls out, but then the rollers get fed through this machine, and specific to each project and specific to each wall, the Revit models export out all the studs in the framing that needs to be done. So it goes through these rollers. If you see it producing, you can see it here, punches out where it needs to be punched, starts to begin the roll, collapsing on itself, and eventually gets spit out, as you can see it down here, what we would know and love as a steel stud, including divots.